So we're here to do Miss Gingerbread's temperament test. We're here with Susan Hawk from Dog Training Elite. And the first test is socialization.
Gingerbread. Yeah. So she came readily with her tail wagging. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that.
She's coming readily.
The next one is social dominance. I'm going to sit on the ground. Licks. Very playful. She had a playful drive. She actually went down with her tail, just like she's doing right now. That's very playful. Yes. Hi. 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 Yes. Yes. Very cute. So that one was a 3 as well. So let's see if she follows me. The next one is following. Following me perfectly with her tail up and playful. That's another 3. Okay, we're going to do elevation dominance now. Fighting a little. Yes. Hi. 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 So, another 3 on that. Let's try the restraint. Come here. Pop, 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 pop. Come here. Gingerbread, come. Yes, come here. We're going to do the restraint. Right here. Yes. Hi. Oh, that is a good one. Yes, it is. Not at all fighting that. Not at all. Good job. That's another 3.
They love their belly rubs.
That's another 3.
Good job, Gingy.
Okay.
Is this so fun? Oh, got an itch. Oh my.
The next one is retrieving. Come here, Gingerbread. Pop, 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 pop. Here. Can you see it? Here. We'll try it one more time. Let's see if she's interested in retrieving. Come here. Ah, got the eye on the ball. See if she picks it up and brings it back. Yes. Wow. Yes. 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 You are a good retriever, aren't you? Yes. Good. Good. I'm glad I brought the small one.
A little baby mouse. Yeah.
Okay, sound sensitivity is the next one. It's a very good reaction. She did not run away from it. Still interested in seeing what's going on, what it is. Yes, come here. Yes, we're not going to be scared of sounds. Yes, good girl. All right. Okay, sight sensitivity is the next one. We're going to use the flirt pole for this. Gingerbread. Oh, yes. Oh, look at you. Yes. You like that, huh? Do you like that? Oh, yes, good girl. Oh, she's fantastic. She's fantastic.
Oh, she's like, what more do you have up
Are you going to
there?
go shopping? Huh? Are you going to go shopping? Okay.
What else is in Susan's bag of tricks, huh?
Okay, let's do the V gate. Come here. Come here, little one. Let's see if you know how to get around the corner. Yes, you did. Oh, there's the mirror right there. Let's see if she could see herself and if she could be scared. Come here. What is this? Hey. What's in the mirror? Huh? What's in the mirror? What's in the mirror? I know she's seen her reflection, but she didn't really do a whole lot. Yes, do you see that puppy? Huh? Do you see that puppy? Well, she definitely just wants to play. She's not, she doesn't seem like she is scared.
What is it?
So we're not doing stability anymore, so I'm going to mark that off. The mirror, she really didn't look. So let's try the ramp. Come here. Hey. Come here. Hey, come here. Can you come up this ramp? Come here. Let's try you from down here. Come here. Come here. Try to climb up it. One more time. Come on. Hey. Come here. Yes. There you go. Come on. I know it's slippery. This is not the best ramp. Come on. Not the best ramp, is it? Come here. Hey. There's the mirror. Oh, yes. Come here. No. 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 Off. Off. Let's try the ramp one more time. Come on. Yes. Yes.
There she goes.
Yes. Okay.
Good job, Gingy.
Okay. Okay, touch sensitivity is the next one. Come here, baby. So what I'm going to do is pinch in between the paw. Good. Good girl. Nothing. We didn't get anything from that.
Chill, pup.
Yeah. Okay, and food. Come here. Gingerbread. Let's see if she has a food drive. Come here. Yeah. So she readily took, oh, let's see. Did you spit it out? Huh? Let's see. Yes. What a gal! What a gal! Well, I think you passed this test with flying colors. Oh my! I think you're going to be perfect for somebody.
Perfect, Miss Gingy.
Oh my
Good
goodness!
job. You jumping for joy?
So overall, her score was a 3, which you can't get better than that.
Wow, Gingy, good
Perfect
job.
dog for for owners. And I'm going to leave you how the number, the testing is done so that you understand it, okay?
Excellent. Thank you.
So
Susan.
mostly threes can be high energy dog and may need lots of exercise, but it's going to be good with people and other animals. Can be a bit of a handful to live with. It will need training, does very well at it and learns quickly. Great dog for second time owners. Okay.
Excellent. Good job, Gingy.